Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Nissan Quest minivan, guys, and you need to remove and replace your key fob battery, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. There are two different kinds of remotes, but I think the procedure will be very close, so make sure you stay with us, guys, and we're going to explain what needs to be done to remove and replace the key fob battery on Nissan Quest. If you need to buy a new battery, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get it from, guys. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you pretty much how to fix anything. Why? Simply, guys, because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, this is, guys, one of the remotes. The other one is the one that you can open the side doors. So there are two different designs, but the procedure, guys, will be the same. And we want to cover that today, and I think it will be the same for both of them and show you what needs to be done. So, pretty simple, guys. If we come like that, okay, if you slide that, okay, let me just focus here quick. Okay, perfect. So, if you guys slide that button to the outside and hold it there, you can pull the manual key out. That's the key that you use, guys, to actually unlock your car. And usually if you come right here, you need to separate the two pieces, guys. You can see you have a notch. So if you get a small screwdriver, okay, you can separate the two pieces together. And sometimes it will be stuck. So what I usually do, guys, if it's stuck, I go here with the big screwdriver. Okay, and I separate them that way. Okay, I start a little bit like that, and it comes loose. So, you can see usually one side will come out easier than the other one. You can try on this one, and it comes out easier. So, this is it, guys, that's your battery. So, how you remove the battery, grab it, guys. Okay, and pull it out. Now, I'll get the replacement battery. It's important how you install it. So, let me just focus again, perfect. I'll go ahead, push it in, okay, with this side up. It says plus sign is on the bottom, okay, it explains how to do that. The negative sign should be up. Right here you can see the picture. You get the casing and make sure that you don't have any dust or dirt. Align everything really good, guys, and after you align it, close it. Perfect. After that, guys, what do we have left? Okay, we need to go ahead and actually install the key, and from that point on you can see that's how you guys removed and replaced the key fob battery on that Nissan Quest. Now if you have the one with the side doors, automatic side doors, the remote will look a little bit different, but I think the procedure will be the same. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out, guys. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.